You will never make a viral video on YouTube if you don't get to know these 4 pillars I'm about to share with you. The first one is the thumbnail. Thumbnails are your channel's billboard. If you don't get clicks on your video, nothing more matters. Try to see other successful thumbnails on other YouTube channels and replicate to your content. This can skyrocket clicks. Number 2. First 30 seconds. You can't mess up on this one. Hook viewers fast. Start with a big promise or shocking statement. Skip. Hi, welcome. Get straight to why they should watch. Number 3. Retention. Here's something you have to study if you want to grow a channel. Keep viewers engaged. Break content into quick sections. Use visuals, storytelling, and curiosity hooks every 20 seconds. Pattern interrupts like quick cuts or surprising facts are key. Moving to the last one, CTA. End with impact. Ask viewers to subscribe and tell them why. Example, if you want more strategies like this, subscribe now and level up your channel. Tease your next video to keep them returning. So that was everything I could say in only 1 minute. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel to help us grow. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.